This video will help you through the process of investing in a lump sum through our website. Let's get started. Once you log into our website, you will be able to see your dashboard. Click on Invest One Time to invest a lump sum amount, or click on Mutual Funds on the Side tab. Then click on Invest New Investment. To select the fund, click on Add Scheme. Now, select your required funds from the list by clicking on the green Select button corresponding to the fund. In case you don't find a fund in this list, check under the All Funds tab and type in the name of the fund into the search bar. After you have added the fund, enter in your lump sum amount. To remove a fund, click on the bin icon corresponding to the fund. Once required funds have been added, tick the checkbox and click on Continue. Verify your bank details and lump sum amount. You can click on Edit to modify your funds. To proceed, click on Confirm. You will be taken to the payment page and provided with 4 different payment options. Once payment is complete, you can see your transaction status as successful along with other details. Click on Go to Dashboard to view your investments. Your new investments will reflect in your portfolio. For other queries, please send an email to contact@FundsIndia.com. Thank you for investing with us. Hope this video was helpful and made the process easier.